Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Saad Al Qur'an Academy. Myself Sayyid Saad. I hope you all are good. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. Friends, if you want to become Hafiz Quran, then you must first read the Noorani Qaidah. Because only after reading the Noorani Qaidah, you will be able to read Quran Majid with Tajweed. And friends, I teach Quran Majid with proper Tajweed by video call and voice call. So if you want to learn Quran Majid from me with proper tajweed, then you can contact me. You will get my WhatsApp link in comment section. So let's start reading from Takhti number 1. Takhti number 1, Mufradaat. And friends, if you don't have Noorani Qaidah and you wanna learn your sabak, your homework, then you can read your sabak by taking a screenshot from my video. Okay, so let's start. Takhti number 1, Mufradaat. You have to say Bismillah Rahma Rahim. The way I am reading, you have to read like this. Bismillah Rahma Rahim. Now we will read from Alif. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba. You have to read just like me. Ba, Ta, Ta, Sa. Friends, it is read softly by putting the tip of the tongue in the lower part of the upper teeth. Sa, Jeem, Jeem, Ha, Ha. It is read from the bottom of the throat. Ha, Kha, Kha. It is read from the top of the throat. Kha, Dal, Dal, Dal. Friends, it is read softly by putting the tip of the tongue in the lower part of the upper teeth. Dal, Ra, Ra, Za. It will read in a slightly stern voice, forcefully placing the tip of the tongue between the two teeth. Za, Sin, Sheen, Sad, Wad, Ta, Za, Ain. Ain is also read from the bottom of the throat. Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf. Qaf is also read from the bottom of the throat. Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Noon, Vaw, Ha, Hamzah, Ya. I hope you have been able to read well from my video. If you enjoyed reading and you learned something, then definitely tell in the comment section. And if you want to learn or read Quran Majid from me with proper tajweed, then message me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. Jazakallahu khairan.